You can get free pomegranate seeds from your local grocery store. Just go in there and either buy the little portion in the refrigerated section where you can just have individual seeds to eat, or you can buy pomegranate and pick the seeds out of them. This is what they look like if I can get rid of my dog here. Little white seeds, and they're very easy to grow. Just put them in a pot. Any kind of soil will do. Just throw them in there. Probably don't put as many in, but or you could put individual seed in a smaller pot. Just kind of cover them up. Don't put them in too deep, and get a little watering can and get yourself some water in there, and before you know it, you'll have them growing. This plant is 1 year old. Now I should have put it in a bigger pot, and I actually left this out all winter. As you can see, this little stem has no leaves. They actually do lose their leaves in the winter, so don't throw it away because it's actually not dead. And this was just kept outside in the frost. Now these ones here are 3 years old, and they were kept outside as well on my deck. I started them inside. I kept them inside till they were about a year old, and then I put them outside. And as you can see, I've got some multi-purpose plant food at the bottom there. That was just Miracle Grow multi-purpose, and it seems to do them really well. Just enough nitrogen to keep them green, and hopefully they will get some blooms on them this summer. And they should look like this, little red flowers, so they'll be really pretty. And these bushes will grow into probably hedge size. These ones here are kind of straggly. I don't know why they've ended up so straggly, but hopefully soon I'll be getting pomegranates. Anyway, pomegranates make good tea. They're very nutritious and full of vitamin C. Happy growing, and thanks for watching.